If you're a business owner looking for a payroll solution that makes everything simpler and more efficient, Gusto might be just what you need. It's designed to help you run payroll quickly, easily, and accurately without all the stress that typically comes with managing employee payments. The beauty of Gusto is its simplicity. It allows you to run payroll in just a few clicks, and you can even set it to AutoPilot, meaning payroll runs automatically without you having to lift a finger. It also syncs your team's hours and calculates taxes for you, ensuring that payroll is not only fast, but also accurate. The software handles all the tricky tax filing automatically, so you won't have to worry about missing deadlines or making costly errors, which is a huge relief for anyone managing payroll in-house. One of the standout features of Gusto is its seamless integration of payroll, benefits, and HR tools all on one platform. Whether it's managing health insurance, 401k plans, workers' compensation, or time tracking, Gusto pulls everything together in a way that just works. Plus, it doesn't hit you with hidden fees. What you see is what you get, and you can even run payroll as many times as needed during the month without extra charges. For businesses that need more robust features like multi-state payroll, next day direct deposit, or advanced HR tools, Gusto offers several pricing plans to fit different needs. Whether you're a small business or scaling fast, Gusto provides the flexibility to grow with your team. The customer support from Gusto is another area where they shine. They have a reputation for excellent responsive service, and their customer satisfaction ratings back that up. A lot of users appreciate how easy it is to get help when needed, and their support is available by phone or email. For business owners, especially those new to payroll, this kind of customer service is invaluable. On top of that, the mobile app lets you manage everything on the go, which is perfect for those who need to stay on top of payroll while traveling or just away from the desk. However, no tool is perfect. One downside to Gusto is the pricing. It can get a little expensive, especially if you're on a smaller budget or just starting out. The base plan starts at $49 per month plus $6 per person, which might be too much for some smaller businesses. And if you need more advanced features like the premium plan for $180 per month plus $22 per person, it can quickly add up. So while Gusto offers a lot of great tools and features, it's important to consider whether those features align with your business's budget and needs. In conclusion, Gusto is a great option if you're looking for a comprehensive payroll and HR tool that integrates multiple aspects of employee management into one platform. It's especially helpful for businesses that want to save time, reduce errors, and stay compliant with tax laws. With its easy-to-use interface, solid customer support, and useful features like automatic tax filing and benefits management, Gusto can help you streamline payroll and take one big headache off your plate. But like any service, the cost may be a barrier for some, so it's important to weigh the pricing against the specific needs of your business.